If you want to grow your carpet cleaning business, then stick around and watch the rest of this video. I'm Ruben with BookCleaningJobs.com, and we help carpet cleaners book more jobs. This week, I want to talk with you about one of my favorite topics and one of the biggest ways that carpet cleaners are booking jobs these days. I'm talking about Google Business Profile. The reason Google Business Profile is so important is that this is how you get your carpet cleaning business to show up on Google Maps and, more importantly, on the map 3-pack section of a Google search. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, then as an exercise, I just want you to grab your cell phone. I want you to go to Google and search for carpet cleaner plus your city name. Now, I'm in Seattle, so I'm going to search for carpet cleaning Seattle and see what pulls up here. At the top of the page, I'm getting Google Guaranteed. That's local service ads. You get into that program by applying to local service ads. I made another video about that recently, so you can go watch that video. There's also Google Ads, but then underneath that, you've got this map section. And there's 3 listings here. Angels Carpet Care, 5 stars. Everclean Northwest, 5 stars. Fuzzy Wuzzy Rug Cleaning Company, 4.7 stars. These 3 companies are showing up in what's called the Google Maps 3-pack section. And this is a really important section of Google to show up in because people love to click on these listings. You'll notice the call buttons on the right here. Homeowners who are looking to have their carpets cleaned love to click on these listings. They love to call carpet cleaning companies that have a bunch of reviews and a high rating. So you really, really want your company to show up here if you want to be booking jobs in 2022 and beyond, because homeowners are definitely searching on Google to find carpet cleaners. They're definitely looking for the carpet cleaning company that has the best reviews or the most reviews, or who has availability or who is nearby. And the way that they find that carpet cleaner, the right carpet cleaner for them, is by searching on Google and often by looking in the map section. So you want to show up there. So Google Business Profile is how you show up there. And best of all, it's free. You don't have to pay anything to get a Google Business Profile for your carpet cleaning business, but you do have to get verified. Google's going to want to verify that you are who you say you are and that you're located where you say you're located. If you're willing to go through that simple verification process, then you can get a verified Google Business Profile for your carpet cleaning business. You can start collecting reviews from your customers and you can start competing for one of those top spots. And you will have to compete for those top spots. There's probably a lot of carpet cleaners in your area. Some of them have Google Business Profiles already. Some of them already have a lot of reviews. It's okay if you're a little behind. Start going today, get reviews starting today, and you will catch up and you will start to get shown more often on Google. But you will have to compete for those spots. I want you to be aware of that. It's too big of a topic for us to cover in this video today. But creating a Google Business Profile and verifying it is the first step. So if you're just starting out and you don't even have a Google Business Profile for your carpet cleaning business yet, then go verify one right now. Go to business.google.com or just search for Google Business Profile and you'll find the page. You're going to need some basic information about your business in order to sign up. Things like your business name and your phone number, your address if you're using a business address, your service area, the services you offer, and a brief description of your business. A couple other things. Some photos and a logo would be highly recommended as well because they will make your profile stand out and make more people want to click on your Google Business Profile and book a cleaning job with you. Now, the verification process. Google used to send out postcards to your address, and that postcard would contain a little verification code like that. I know that's hard to see, right? But that verification code right there, it's all blurred out. There you go. There's one. That verification code right there is what Google used to send out on a postcard. Now, recently I requested a couple postcards for some clients that I work with, and we did not get a postcard. In fact, nothing came. 4 weeks went by, 6 weeks went by, nothing came. This happened 3 times recently. So I want you to be aware that Google may be experiencing some postcard delays. I did contact Google Business Support, and they let me know that they are experiencing some delays with this process. Now, when I did finally get something in the mail, it wasn't a postcard. This is not a postcard. This actually looks like a check. It had the tear off sides and everything. So I tore off the sides and then it folds out. And inside of this is your verification code. I will tell you though, that this does say pretty clearly on it, right? You can read that Google Business Profile. So on one side, it says Google Business Profile. And on the other side, it says Google. So just be on the lookout for something like this in the mail if you decide to verify by postcard. It may not be a postcard. It might be something that looks more like this. Now, I had a client recently who was able to verify their Google Business Profile a lot quicker, and they didn't do the postcard method. Google actually did a video verification. I don't know specifically for this client if it was a video call or if he had to upload a video, but he was able to do a video verification and get verified same day for his Google business profile. So instead of waiting for 4 to 6 weeks or however long these postcards take, if you have the option to verify some other way, either by phone call or by video call, I would highly recommend that you do that because it'll get you verified a lot quicker. A couple other things I want to tell you about Google Business Profile. Some things I've noticed. I have a lot of Google Business Profiles under my management right now. And so I see messages coming in, I see reviews coming in from clients every single day. And I've noticed a big uptick in Google Business Profile spam. So if you already have one of these profiles, or if you're about to verify your first Google Business Profile, I want you to be aware that spam is becoming an issue on Google. And I'm going to tell you what to look for and also how to deal with it. So the first thing that I've been noticing a lot of, fake reviews, people trying to sell fake reviews. A lot of my clients are getting messages through their Google Business Profile saying, "Hello, business owner, would you like to purchase some 5-star reviews to boost up your profile?" This is a horrible idea anyways. Don't ever buy reviews for your business. You should be asking your legitimate customers to leave you a review because they're probably happy to. If you did a good job on their carpets, your customers are probably happy to leave you a quick 5-star rating on Google. You don't need to buy reviews. It's not going to help you get your business shown on Google quicker. It's just going to get your Google Business Profile suspended. And honestly, I wouldn't mess around with Google, guys. I've been working with Google for 15, 20 years for a lot of different businesses. And the one thing that I can tell you you don't want to do is mess around with Google because there can be consequences, okay? So don't buy Google Business Profile reviews from anybody, especially some spammer who's spamming you on your Google Business Profile and sending you a message saying, "Hey, do you want to buy some fake reviews?" Just report those messages as spam. Inside of Google Business Messaging, there's a little button you can click to report these messages, to block and report, right? So block and report these types of messages. Do not reply to them. Don't be tempted to mess with the spammer. I know a lot of carpet cleaners like to mess with spammers. I wouldn't even recommend it. I just recommend that you block and report these people and move on with your life. Now, the other thing I want to tell you to look out for is fake reviews. I've heard from some of my clients that they have gotten reviews from competitors in town, reviews from angry ex-employees, reviews from customers who never hired your business, but just requested a quote and then hired somebody else. Those are not legitimate reviews in Google's eyes. So if you get a review that you think is not from a real customer that you served, again, what I recommend is don't respond to the review. Most of the time, I recommend that you respond to your Google reviews. It's a best practice to say, "Hey, thanks a lot for the review. We appreciate the 5 stars. Can't wait to see you again in the future," right? I don't recommend responding to spam Google reviews unless you're going to respond factually and say, "I don't believe we've served you. We don't see your name in our system." I just recommend that you report those reviews as spam, right? Just go ahead and report those reviews. You can flag them. You can even ask a friend to go onto your business profile and flag that review for you. And that will help Google understand that this is not a real review, that this is potentially spam, and it should be looked at and potentially taken off your profile. So Google Business Profile spam is a thing, and I want you to be aware of it. You might see it in your own profile, and you should always just flag it, block it, let Google know that this is spam. Don't interact with the spammer and move on with your life. All right. If you've gotten any value at all from this video so far, I'd love it if you give me a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. I am going to be posting a lot more videos like this to help you grow your carpet cleaning business, including a new video I just posted on Google local service ads. So a minute ago, I showed you a Google search, and at the very top of that search, it said Google guaranteed underneath some of those company names. If you want your carpet cleaning business to be Google guaranteed, then go check out my 7-minute masterclass on Google local service ads. I'll tell you how to get Google guaranteed, and I'll tell you how this pay per phone call program works. This is a paid program, so you pay for every single phone call that you receive, but these are pretty much ready to book customers. These are people who need their carpets cleaned and they're ready to book an appointment. Go watch that video. And if you're still confused about how all of this stuff fits together, Google Business Profile, Google local service ads, Google guaranteed, SEO, websites, all that stuff, if you're wishing somebody would just give you a roadmap or a cheat sheet, then you're in luck. Head over to BookCleaningJobs.com/cheat sheet to get a copy of the marketing cheat sheet for carpet cleaners. Inside, you're going to find a complete plan to grow your carpet cleaning business online and book more jobs. It's going to help you figure out what you should tackle first when it comes to your website, social media, Google, Facebook, SEO, paid ads, and more. If you don't already have a copy, go to BookCleaningJobs.com/cheat sheet and download it today. That's it for this week. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.